Welcome, kindred spirits, to the land of the rising sun, a place where culture and nature weave a stunning mosaic of breathtaking charm. Our journey begins with spring's serene sonnet, the cherry blossoms, or sakura. Witness as the air grows thick with whispers of romance, under a sky showered with delicate vermilion petals, waxing into an ephemeral wonderland only Japan can deliver. Our senses engaged continue to the crowning glory of this wondrous isle, the majestic Mount Fuji. Its snow-capped peaks piercing the skies, a testament to nature's power and poise, the mountain stands sentry over the ecstatic quilt of Tokyo's cityscape, simultaneously humbling and invigorating. Follow us further into a world hiding in plain sight, a vibrant commingling of traditional heritage and the throbbing energy of urban dwellings. From the grandeur of Kyoto's age-old temples, cradled amidst a hush of ancient trees, to the spirited streets of Osaka, pulsating with the rhythm of modern times, Japan is the paradoxical art piece in nature's grandeur, waiting to be soulfully experienced. So,